Hi guys, welcome to your channel Stock Market. Today we are going to do a deep, detailed discussion of Tata Power. So I'm not suggesting to buy or sell any stocks, but we can do a detailed discussion. So as you all know, Tata Power is into the generation of power. So it has a well experienced company. It has been performing over than 100 years. So I think you all know that demand for power, so we can consider it as a basic necessity business. As a food, shelter, we want power all the time, so it is an evergreen business, and you can assume the future of this company. The next main thing is electric vehicles. I think you all know that the electric vehicle segment will boom in next 5 to 10 years. So Tata Power, I mean Tata Motors, has getting technical orders from outside the country. That means globally, the demand for electric vehicles and their technique is been increasing for Tata Motors, and in turn it will be demand for Tata Power, because all those charging stations will be installed by Tata Power. I think recently it has announced they are installing 12,000 EV stations all over India. So not only India, they will be installing EV stations in all over the world in the future. So you all know that. So when there is a increase in the sales, automatically the revenue of the company increases, and profit also. So right now it's around 70,000 crores market cap company. So in another 5 to 10 years, as you all know, so it will become some lakhs together market cap company. So then the profit will also increase. Once the profit started to rise, so they will automatically give dividends to the shareholders. So if your intention, or if your long term, if you have long term vision in stock market, so you can see the Tata Power so performance in the future, and so it can deliver very good dividends in future also. So it is a future of the company, no doubt, because without power and without electric vehicles, the future will not be complete. So it's a very demanding product, I mean demanding company in the future. So if your intention is 5 to 10 years, then you can consider and have a good study over this company. So deep details you have to study, and then you plan for investing or holding the stock. If you are already invested in the stock, you can hold on for 5 to 10 years. So in future definitely it will going to be a good company, I think so, my personal opinion. So you also have a good luck. Okay, that's all for today. So let's meet on next video. Until then, goodbye, take care.